All right, George, out on the weather deck now. I still brought the heavy jacket to work today, but that's only because I know when I go home at midnight it's going to be a lot colder and I'll need it, but not for much longer probably, George.
Probably not much longer, absolutely. I'm out here without the hat and the gloves on tonight, Nick. Although it's a little on the chilly side, I wouldn't recommend that after sunset, however. 13 weather ball tonight is green. There's going to be no change to the more seasonable weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 41 today with that afternoon sunshine, made it to 43. And that is 4 days in a row with your 3-degree plus or minus guarantee. Your weather headlines calling for seasonable temperatures in the 40s next several days. We'll be in the 50s though by this weekend, and our average highs right now are around 45, so we're going to be doing better than that. Really the only chance of any rain this week will be coming during the day on Wednesday, and most likely that'll be to the north and also to the south. Right here in the greater Grand Rapids area, our chances of rain on Wednesday are fairly low, so virtually dry, low or no impact weather into even next week. Tomorrow, we're going to start out at 26 in the morning, very light wind. They'll pick up out of the west during the afternoon. We may see some clouds develop along the lakeshore this evening, or later on tonight, I should say, and they may come inland for a while. Not quite as much as we saw during the day today, but again, lots of sunshine. These clouds are just clouds that develop when it just gets too warm down here at the surface. They lift up into that very cold air loft, and occasionally we get some sprinkles of rain out of that. That's what we saw today. And with a west wind coming in off the cooler waters of the lake, that kind of kills the instability and just clears us out. We are thankful for the sunshine this time of year. High pressure is building on in. All of the impactful weather is going to stay just to our north and to our south, but we're not going to be warming up tremendously over the next several days. We're just going to gradually warm things up as high pressure is steering most of the storms away from us. We can show there's the northern extent of the jet stream. There's also one down to the south. We're going to kind of be in between. This is the Wednesday system. A little bit of a northern jet stream coming through, a little bit of a southern one as well. They're going to try to combine, but again, probably not going to be successful. But you notice our wind flow is still out of the northwest, not coming off the Arctic, but coming out of Canada. So we're going to slowly warm up out of the 40s into the 50s this weekend. You can see that southern jet stream kind of kicking the cold air on out, so we're going to warm up, especially into Monday. And then the next weather system, I think, may just be to our south on Monday and Tuesday. And then after that, we may start to warm up a little bit again toward the end of the month. In fact, our long-range outlook, if you missed it on Friday, says there is a high probability that warmer than average temperatures will take place over the eastern part of the U.S., including Florida, where a lot of folks will be heading for spring break, I'm sure. And as far as precipitation, we have a little bit lower chance of seeing less precipitation. You can see that southern storm track not too far away, though, down to just to our south. For tomorrow, though, we are expecting partly cloudy skies early in the day from Ludington down through Muskegon. You're going to become mostly sunny later on. A little more sunshine to the south, where we'll hit the low 40s. Up north, you may have some morning clouds, and then we'll see them start to clear out again later on in the afternoon. Highs around 40 to 43. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll hit the low and mid 40s. We may see a few afternoon clouds, but other than that, lots of sunshine and dry weather. 13 on your side forecast. Slowly warming up, mid 40s through Thursday, breaking the 50-degree mark on Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be up into the low and mid 50s, maybe some high clouds on Sunday as a system passes just to our south, and it'll top out around 60 on Monday. After that system passes by to our south on Monday, I think we're going to cool off again, back down into the mid and upper 40s, but again, that is pretty close to our seasonable highs for this time of year. So Nick, at least some dry weather in that 10-day forecast.
A lot to look forward to there, George. Thank you very much.